Here's a quick and easy modification that you need to do to your RV if it's got one of these folding ladders on the back. This ladder has hinge points part way up, and it folds up so you can access either a generator compartment or a storage compartment there in the back. It's got these little pins that hold it in place. Some RVs have a ladder with a larger diameter tube which don't have this same little cap like my ladder has. Those large ladders also don't have that little metal clip. Instead, they have two little rubber bumpers that mate to each other to sort of securely hold it in place. So higher up on this ladder where the hinge points are at, the ladder is not totally sealed from water getting into it. So eventually the ladder tube is going to fill up with water and these pins are going to rust. So a quick and easy way to prevent that. You can see here that I've drilled some little holes in those rubber caps. Another thing that you could do is drill a hole in the ladder tube right here. So if you have the larger diameter tube, it has a totally different cap on it, so you would actually have to drill a hole in the tube of the ladder. You can see that these pins have already started to rust a little bit. This happened during the time the previous owner had this rig. First thing I did after I bought it was drill out those caps to let water drain out. I folded the ladder up so I can show this to you. Don't hold on to the ladder when it's folded up and you're trying to go up the steps.